To use airline credits on Expedia, start by opening the official Expedia website and signing into your account. If you don't have an account, create a new one. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the home page where you can discover new destinations, find hotels, and more. However, to use your airline credits, scroll down to the bottom of the page, where you'll find a Use an Expedia coupon button under the Help section. Click on this button and a new page will open, allowing you to book a flight using your airline credit. To proceed, click on the Book a Flight using an airline credit button and follow the instructions provided. You'll need to go to the Coupons and Credits section, which can be found in your account. Click on Coupons and Credits and select the credit you want to use. If you have an airline credit, it will be listed here, along with information on where you can use it. Simply follow the instructions and you'll be able to redeem your credit. This process is relatively straightforward, so by following these steps, you should be able to use your airline credits on Expedia without any issues.